clap.
Down by the river where the lilies grow lives a hippo named Hugo, big and slow. He chomps on snacks from dawn till noon, crunching leaves to a jungle tune. Good chomp chomp goes a hungry hippo, munching mangoes in a mighty flow. Crunch crunch, hear him chew all day. He's got a rumble in his belly. Hooray! He slurps up soup from a coconut shell, then gobbles some grapes as well. He licks his lips and gives a wiggle, then lets out a big hippo giggle. Toast chomp chomp goes a hungry hippo, snacking on bananas in a row. Munch munch, he just can't wait to gobble up his jungle plate. He tried a sandwich made of grass, with dandelions piled up fast. A dash of honey, a touch of spice. Hippo says, that's really nice. At sunset time he starts to slow.